Welcome back to 10 Slate Info. As the Dubai Air Show 2021 is going to conclude on November 18, 2021, and with so many good updates and news coming about the India's Tejas fighter jet, I thought of summarizing all those updates which have come in various news sources in a single video. When the Dubai Air Show was kicked off during Sunday, November 14, the Tejas aircraft of the Indian Air Force, Shillong based Eastern Air Command, showcased their superior flying skills to attract everyone's eye in the United Arab Emirates. When the air show kicked off at Al Maktoum Airport in Dubai, the Tejas aircraft, which arrived for the show on Friday, showcased its superior flying ability, maneuvering capability, and ease of handling against the golden backdrop. According to Indian Air Force Group Captain Manish Tolani in the Dubai Air Show, the Tejas fighter would remain as a mainstay in Indian Air Force aerial combat arsenal. Tejas fighter's 4-channel digital fly-by-wire and cockpit made fully of glass makes the handling of plane more effective. Even many Pakistani defense lovers and Pakistani expats working in the United Arab Emirates while visiting the ongoing Dubai Air Show 2021 were surprised to see a no-show from Pakistan even though they have their powerful JF-17 in their fleet. Until now, it's not sure why Pakistan did not send their JF-17 fighters, which according to them is the most powerful and proven fighter jet. It would have been a good feast for the eye and for every defense lover to see both JF-17 and Tejas showcased during the Dubai Air Show. Seeing the performance and features of Tejas fighter in FOC variant raises hope for India to see more export market orders. This is the first time a Tejas fighter in FOC standard has been so popularly spoken in news media and sources. And obviously, this would attract other countries to evaluate the Tejas and its upcoming variants. According to me, no one can deny that India has manufactured and built a powerful and stable platform in the name of Tejas, which is going to power and boost the Indian Air Force fleet strength in upcoming years and decades. Even the upcoming Tejas Mark II or medium weight fighter is one more most awaited aircraft for India to prove its capability in indigenously developing a fighter aircraft. So let's expect India keeps rocking in fine-tuning the Tejas fighter and proves to the world that it can manufacture a powerful and attractive fighter all by itself. It would also be good to see if they stop depending on the foreign countries for other components for these Tejas fighter. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to 10 Slate Info for more defense and aviation related updates. Thank you.